That's right, brother. You just slither away. Yep, go on down now. Get out. There you go. Get out of here. So anyway, I'm walking down the trail. Here's my feet. Still pretty close to this snake, actually, probably about 5 feet away. But anyway, I almost stepped on him. I was kind of off in my own world in my brain. And I came about a step and a half away from stepping right on his midsection. He was spread out lengthwise like that across the trail. So anyway, he seems to be slithering away. He's moving kind of slow. I think he's kind of lazy in this hot, humid weather in Virginia. It is May 29th, 3 o'clock. We're almost to Waynesboro Rockfish Gap. Come on, dude. Now he's trying to come back on the trail. Killing me. I guess the black snakes are harmless. I've seen a ton of them. Literally, this is like the 4th or 5th or 6th black snake I've seen. They're pretty cool looking. I mean, you can see they have some little white speckles. Dude, really? And now he's coming. No. Come on, go. He's coming back on the trail, so I don't want to mess with him. I mean, I don't think he's going to bite me, but no reason to piss him off. We're just going to kind of, maybe that'll help speed him up. Go that way, buddy. Come on, whatever you got to do, get out of here. Get. There he goes. We're going to go right past you. Yep, see ya. All right, anyway, another black snake heading into Waynesboro. See ya. Off.